The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and with it, the sophistication of cyber threats. We are rapidly approaching a critical juncture, where traditional maintenance loops, once sufficient, are now proving inadequate against the relentless onslaught of mid-2020s automated exploit kits. These advanced kits are not just theoretical concerns. They are actively exploiting vulnerabilities that conventional defenses are simply not equipped to handle, leading to an alarming increase in successful breaches. This failure to adapt has significant consequences, particularly within the burgeoning sectors of unmanned, retail and facility networks. We are witnessing a disturbing surge in lateral movement attacks, where attackers, having gained initial access through a seemingly minor vulnerability, are then able to navigate and compromise multiple systems within a network, often undetected for extended periods. This internal progression allows them to escalate privileges and exfiltrate sensitive data, or disrupt operations on a much grander scale than ever before. The stakes have never been higher, as we hurtle towards a future dominated by fully autonomous infrastructure. The prospect of system downtime shifts from an inconvenience to a catastrophic failure. Imagine a scenario where a critical infrastructure facility, relying on autonomous systems, experiences a shutdown due to a cyber attack. The economic impact, the potential for public safety risks, and the erosion of trust would be immense. It's no longer just about protecting data. It's about safeguarding the very fabric of our interconnected world. To counter these escalating threats, a fundamental paradigm shift is imperative. The adoption of 2026 Zero Trust standards. This isn't merely an upgrade. It's a complete reimagining of security architecture. The era of relying on simple firewalls as the primary line of defense is unequivocally over. We must move decisively towards identity-based microsegmentation, applying this granular level of control to every remote switch within our networks. This approach ensures that access is granted only to specific, verified identities for specific resources, minimizing the attack surface dramatically. Furthermore, the core principle of zero trust demands continuous verification protocols. This means that every single maintenance request, regardless of its origin or apparent legitimacy, must be treated as a potential breach. No longer can we assume trust based on network location or initial authentication. Every interaction, every data packet, every access attempt must be meticulously verified. To further bolster this impenetrable defense, establishing encrypted tunnels for all telemetry data is non-negotiable. This critical step prevents any possibility of signal interception and manipulation, ensuring the integrity and confidentiality of vital operational information flowing between devices and central systems. By encrypting this data, we eliminate a significant vector for sophisticated attacks that aim to compromise or distort operational insights. The real challenge lies in hardening the infrastructure workflow itself. This isn't just about implementing new technology. It's about seamlessly integrating these proactive encryption layers directly into existing hardware maintenance schedules. This means that as technicians perform routine checks or replacements, security protocols become an inherent part of their tasks, not an afterthought. It requires a cultural shift and a comprehensive retraining of personnel to understand and execute these new, secure procedures. Concurrently, updating legacy switch configurations is crucial. Many older systems are simply not designed to support the sophisticated 2026 authentication handshakes required for modern zero-trust environments. This necessitates a systematic upgrade and reconfiguration process across all remote sites, ensuring that every piece of hardware can participate fully in the secure network. Beyond software and configuration, auditing physical signal integrity is an often overlooked but vital aspect of security. This involves meticulous checks to detect any hardware-level tampering or unauthorized bypasses, a seemingly minor physical alteration or an unexpected signal anomaly could be a precursor to a major system compromise. Proactive physical security. therefore, becomes as critical as digital security. Moving beyond reactive measures, predictive maintenance emerges as a powerful security barrier. By leveraging real-time diagnostics, we can identify anomalous traffic patterns long before they escalate into a total system failure. These patterns, often subtle, can indicate an impending hardware malfunction, a software glitch, or, more critically, a malicious intrusion attempt. The ability to detect these anomalies early allows for immediate intervention, preventing potentially devastating outcomes. The traditional reactive patching cycles, where vulnerabilities are addressed only after they are discovered and exploited, are becoming obsolete. We must transition to AI-driven vulnerability forecasting and automated shielding. This proactive approach uses artificial intelligence to predict potential vulnerabilities based on historical data, network behavior, and threat intelligence, allowing us to deploy automated defenses before an attack can even materialize. Moreover, ensuring operational stability demands the synchronization of security updates with routine facility performance checks. This integrated approach minimizes disruption, reduces the window of vulnerability, and ensures that security enhancements do not inadvertently impact operational efficiency. By making security an intrinsic part of maintenance, we create a more robust and resilient system. Ultimately, our goal is to scale resilient operations for the future. This journey begins with a clear understanding of the long-term cost savings associated with proactive hardening, when benchmarked against the astronomical price of a data breach, including reputational damage, regulatory fines, and operational downtime. The investment in advanced security protocols becomes not just justified, but essential. We are talking about preventing losses that can far exceed the cost of implementing these robust systems. To achieve widespread security, we must create a blueprint for rapid protocol deployment across complex, geographically dispersed networks. This blueprint will outline standardized procedures, automated deployment tools, and clear guidelines to ensure consistent and efficient implementation of 2026 security protocols, regardless of location or network complexity. The culmination of these efforts is the finalization of a comprehensive 2026 security roadmap. This roadmap will serve as our guiding document, ensuring that every strategic decision, every technological upgrade, and every operational procedure aligns with the overarching goal of guaranteeing uptime for next-generation autonomous facilities. It is a commitment to a secure, resilient, and continuously operational future.